gearbox with shaft end, which is also known as SNP series. Our planetary gearbox nominal output torque range starts from 12 Newton meter to 530 Newton meter, which has backlash less than 1 arc per minute. Available reduction ratio from 1:3 to 1:100.
So this is our SNP gearbox, which has shaft output. It is designed in such a way that it can be coupled with various servo motors, is self-lubricating and easy to install. The features of these gearboxes are high torque capacity, various types of reduction ratios available.
Planetary gearbox with flange end, which is also known as SNDU series. This type of series is designed for precision platform rotation, which has nominal output torque ranging from 25 Newton meter to 350 Newton meter, backlash less than 1 arc minute, and the available reduction ratios are 1:3 to 1:100.
So this is our SNDU series, which has flange as an output. The features of these gearboxes are high rigidity and high load carrying capacity. The frame sizes available in both the series are 40, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180.
Now moving on to our next series of gearbox, that is right angle gearbox, which is also known as SS series. So there are two types of right angle gearboxes available. The first one is hollow shaft and the second one is solid shaft. The nominal output torque for both kind is ranging from 13 Newton meter to 800 Newton meter. The backlash available is 3 arc minute and the ratio available for this type of gearbox is 1:1 to 1:200.
So these are our right angle SS series. This gearbox has solid shaft output and this gearbox has hollow shaft output. Both the gearbox are coupled with SNP series to get high reduction ratio, and there are various types of customizations available for both the gearbox.
So moving on to our next product, hollow rotary gearbox, which is also known as ST series. This type of gearbox is the most precise in hollow rotary segment. The nominal output torque for this type of gearbox is 3 Newton meter to 90 Newton meter. The backlash available is 0.5 arc minute and the reduction ratio is standard, that is 1:10.
So this is our hollow rotary gearbox, which is the most precise gearbox available in the hollow rotary segment. The rotational output is achieved on this flange and the hollow portion is provided to pass the wirings and the pipings. A cross roller bearing is attached inside on which the flange is mounted to withstand an axial load of 1 ton. This gearbox can be coupled with SNP and right angle series to achieve more reduction ratio.
Now moving towards the most precise segment available in SMD gearbox, that is harmonic series. Basically there are two types of gearboxes available. The first one is SCSG and the second one is SSHG. The backlash available for these gearboxes is less than 17 arc second. The nominal torque capacity is 20 Newton meter to 180 Newton meter, and the reduction available for this type of gearbox is 1:50, 1:80, 1:100 and 1:120.
So these are our two types of harmonic gearboxes available, SSHG and SCSG. This type of gearbox has a hollow shaft output and this type of gearbox has a flange output. The features of these gearboxes are short axial dimension, high rigidity for stable precision, and is usually used in robotic industries.
SMD is launching new gearboxes in harmonic series, which are modeled in SCSG and SSHG. This is the SCSG 2A with component set. The purpose of this gearbox is lightweight component mainly used where output flange requirement small in size. The keyword for this gearbox is SCSG 2A harmonic with cup output. The specifications of these gearboxes are the torque range 4.4 Newton meter to 523 Newton meter, The reduction ratio available is 50 to 160. Size available is 10 to 45. The targeted industries for this type of gearbox is robotic industry and semiconductors. Moving on to the next product, SSHG 2A with component sets. The purpose of this gearbox is used when large flange required than standard to distribute the load. Keyword SSHG 2A harmonic with large flange. The specification of this gearbox is the torque range from 7 Newton meter to 523, reduction ratio from 50 to 160, sizes available are 14 to 45. The targeted industry for this gearbox are robotic industry, defense, optronics, indexing and etc. Now moving on to our next product, that is SSHG 2SO series with component sets. Purpose of this type of gearbox is short axial dimension than other series. We can also say that it has changed output shaft into flange. The keyword for this type of gearbox is SSHG 2SO harmonic with flange. The specifications of these gearboxes are torque range 5.4 Newton meter to 402. The reduction ratio available is 50 to 160 and the sizes available are 14 to 45. The targeted industries for this gearbox is robotic industry, defense, optronics and indexing. The next gearbox is SSHG 2UJ with input shaft. The purpose of this gearbox is input shaft and mounting output is same as our SSHG series. Keywords SSHG 2UJ harmonic with input shaft. The specifications of these gearboxes are torque range 5.4 Newton meter to 402, reduction ratio from 50 to 160 and the size available is 14 to 45. The targeted industries are the same: robotic industry, defense, optronics and industry. The last series in our harmonic gearbox is SSHG 2SH with a hollow input. The purpose of these gearboxes is input and output mountings are hollow, hence for bigger bore size this unit can be used. The keyword for this gearbox is SSHG 2SH harmonic gearbox has hollow type input and output. The specification for these gearboxes are torque range 5.4 Newton meter to 402 Newton meter, reduction ratio 50 to 160, size 14 to 45. The targeted industries are the same: robotic industry, defense, optronics and indexing. Now, moving to our next product, which is AGV wheel, which has nomenclature SWM and SWT. There are two types of AGV wheel: mechanism wheel and traction wheel. The purpose of AGV wheel is it can be used as a wheel for robo pallet trucks, which has torque range 56 Newton meter to 353 Newton meter, motor power ranging from 0.15 kilowatt to 0.45 kilowatt. Reduction ratios are 50 and 120. The targeted industries are warehouse, cold storage and pharma. Now next product, robotic joint module, which has its nomenclature as SJML and SJMR. There are two types of robotic joint module: I-type, which is this one, and L-type. The purpose of this particular product is the gearbox has driven and controllers inside it, hence can be used directly supplying electric current to it. Keywords: harmonic drive gearbox. The torque range is 8 Newton meter to 313 Newton meter. The motor power range is 0.15 to 1 kilowatt. Reduction ratios available are 51 to 161 and sizes available are 14 to 32.